Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion as a medical student. Now, this is super easy to do. You can quickly create your Notion account and get started. Once you're inside, then you can use Notion for whatever you want. So if you're a medical student, how can you use it? And I'm going to show you how to set up a nice dashboard that you can use as a medical student, right? So once you're in, all you have to do is click on the left hand side where you have the new page and click and create a new page. It's going to create a new page for you. And then from here, you don't have to go ahead and create your own custom design. And as a medical student, I can imagine that this is not really what you really want to do, right? To go and create something from scratch and to be super fancy and get all into that technology. So how do you keep it simple and get whatever you want? You can always go ahead and make some adjustments here and there. So what you want to do is simple, go ahead and click on templates on the lower part of the screen there. And here you have different templates that you can actually find on the Notion marketplace, right? So use a search on the upper right and simple type in medical student. You can try medical student, right? Just hit enter there and you will see what it actually finds. So here you can see it says medical school dashboard. You have a medical school notes system. You have a simple medical student planner, and that could be something that you're using. So you can you have the student hub, you have the medical school spreadsheet. So you have a ton of different tools or dashboards that you can actually use. And the cool thing is that all you have to do really is to create new pages for each, and you'll have them on the left hand side that you can quickly access at any point in time. So let's say I want a notes system or a medical student planner. I can click on this. If I like it, if I go through it and I see that I like it, I can add it, and you will see that it's currently being added on the left hand side. As you can see, it's added and it will be available for me to view it. So I can click on that simple medical student planner here and you can see what it looks like. And you can also go ahead and actually tweak it, adjust it, change it to whatever you want at any point in time. If you want to add another one, you can go back there to the templates, simple type in the medical student there as I showed you, right? And you can add a different type of template that you will need. So let's say you want a school spreadsheet, you can click on that, or you want the medical license assessment, you can go ahead and can you get anything you want, right? So I'm going to choose, for example, a spreadsheet here and click and add. So you can have your whole entire workspace with different dashboards that you can find within Notion, and you can quickly go ahead and use those to your liking, right? So you can basically have them and use them to your liking and change whatever sections you want to change, and you'll be able to actually have a full blown, let's say, setup as a medical student to get your work done as you wish. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.